Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super fun lined up. Have you ever wondered what it would look like if tiny construction workers were building your favorite foods? Well, we're about to make that happen with Dyn.ai. In this video, we'll be using Dyn.ai's text-to-image and image-to-video features to bring to life some of the most trending foods on social media right now. From giant donuts to towering burgers, these mini construction workers are hard at work, creating all kinds of delicious treats right before your eyes. So if you're ready to see some seriously creative food builds and learn how you can do it too, to make your social media explode with traffic, stick around. Let's jump in and start building with Dyn.ai. So the first thing we need is a prompt that I'll leave in the description below. All you need to do is copy it, then go ahead and paste it into ChatGPT. Once that's done, I'll show you exactly what to do next. All right, let's start by opening the design window. The first thing we'll do is head to design. Now we're in home, and from here, we're going to create a new project. So click on new project. Let's name our project Mini Men. And for the project size, let's go with 16 by 9. Once you've set that, just click apply. Now we're going to go here to the text to image feature where we'll create our first image. Here we've got a bunch of different style options to choose from. There's design general, design realistic, design 3D. For this tutorial, I'm going with the Flux 1 style because I really like the outcome from previous images, but feel free to experiment with any of the styles you like. Next up, we're going to grab the prompt. Let's copy it and paste it here. Like I said, I'll leave it in the description. It's a fun one. Tiny construction workers building a giant pink frozen donut with sprinkles. Basically, this is describing tiny little workers constructing a giant donut. Go ahead and paste that prompt into the text box. Let's select the Flux 1 style. That's the look we're going for. I personally like the 16 by 9 aspect ratio, so I'm going to select that as well. After all that's done, just click generate. Now we sit back for a moment and let the AI do its thing, and it's done. Now we have an awesome image of a giant donut with tiny workers building it. Trust me, it looks incredible. Now, if you're not feeling the style you've got or you want to switch things up, you can always change the style. For example, try switching to a Lego style, or you can make some adjustments using ChatGPT if you want something different. Let's say you want to change what the tiny workers are building. Instead of a donut, we can ask ChatGPT to make it a chocolate bar or anything else you want. Let's return to ChatGPT and use the prompt we previously copied. For example, let's go with a chocolate bar. Let's go to ChatGPT and tell it to update the prompt to include a great chocolate bar instead of the donut. Once it gives you the updated prompt, copy it, go back to the design tool and paste it in. Let's keep the same settings, then just click generate. And now you've got a whole new image of tiny workers building a delicious chocolate bar instead of the donut. It looks amazing, right? We got two beautiful images of our chocolate bar with the mini workers. Now let's head back to ChatGPT and repeat the process to generate a similar image, this time featuring a hamburger. Let's copy our hamburger prompt and go back to our design app and paste it here. Let's keep the same settings, then just click generate. And now you've got a whole new image of tiny workers building a delicious hamburger. Looks amazing, right? The fun part is you can do this with all kinds of food. Like want to make pizza, hot dogs, or even cookies, just change the food in the prompt and repeat the same steps. You can create whatever you want. Like if you want to get a little fancier, you can also add some extra personal touches. Let's say you want to make a slight variation of the image. Maybe you like one of the images you generated, but want to tweak it a bit. You can select either image and make a variation. This way you can adjust it however you want. When we click on image 1, there's a slight change from the previous one, but they still look pretty much the same. If you want to get really creative, there's even a local editor where you can change specific parts of the image, like making the worker wear a red outfit or even turning him into a superhero. So much fun. Go ahead and play around with it. Have fun. Once you're happy with the image, go ahead and download all of them. Now we're ready to move on to the next step, which is turning these images into a video. This part is super exciting. To do that, go to Image to Video. Here we've got a few options: image to video, lip sync, and text to video. We're going to pick image to video since we want to turn the images we just made into videos. Let's go ahead and pick the video model here. There are a few options to choose from, like standard, Kling 1.6, Minimax, High-Low, Luma, and Runway. I'll go with the standard. Now let's upload our image. I'll start with our chocolate bar image. Now that our image is uploaded, let's head back to ChatGPT and ask it to create an animation prompt for our chocolate bar image. You could type a simple prompt directly into Design, but I like using ChatGPT because it comes up with better prompts than I do. So let's copy the video prompt it gave us, jump back into the Design app, paste it in, keep the duration at 5 seconds, and hit generate. Let's give it a moment. And there it is. An awesome video of our tiny workers building a chocolate bar. Your images will be turned into a video. It's that simple. You'll have a cool video of tiny workers creating whatever food you've chosen. It's a super fun way to bring your images to life. Now, the last step is to refine your video. You'll want to import your video into something like CapCut, where you can add transitions, music, or any final touches to make it even more awesome. You can easily sync everything together and make a smooth, fun video from the images you created. And that's it. You've now got your very own mini worker creation video. The process is simple, but it gives you so much room to get creative with the style, the food, and the details. Just remember, it's all about having fun with it, experimenting with different prompts, and exploring all the options to make your images and videos unique. So go ahead, try it out, and enjoy creating your own tiny workers working on all sorts of foods. Have fun, and don't forget to check out the description for the prompt I used. Let's watch the final video. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. We've had a blast creating these mini construction workers, building all kinds of trending foods, and I hope you've picked up some cool tips to try for yourself with Design.ai. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future creative adventures. And hey, if you try out Design.ai for your own projects, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of food creations you're building. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep being creative and have fun with your content. Catch you in the next one.